All right, hello again. I hope you're doing well. Welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about risk management. First of all, I would like to tell you, trading is like other businesses, can have some risks. You cannot ignore risk in trading and other businesses. It means that it's not important what kind of business you have and what kind of business you want to do, whether you would like to have a supermarket or rental agency or whatever, it has some risks. All right. So trading is similar. Anyway, you can just manage these risks and you can just, reduce the amount of risk by the ways I am going to teach you in this video. But before telling you the, probable risks in this job, I would like to tell you what are the risks in this job. Okay. Risks in this job is that you want to open a kind of position. Either buy or sell, no difference. But the market goes against your position. When you buy, so you expect a bullish trend and you expect the price is rising and increasing. But you can see, oh my God, the price is decreasing and, we have bearish trend. So if you do not manage the risks, so you will lose all money you have and all capital you have involved. All right. But I would like to, ask you some questions, then I answer one by one in this video. The first question is, what is risk management? Risk management is a way to control risk when trading, as I explained just some seconds ago, and you should know how to manage it. Okay. The next question is, how much of our capital can we risk? All right. For example, you want to open a buy position or sell, and you have $1,000. All right. The answer to this question is very simple. Risking more than 2% of the capital per trade is not recommended. It means you can just risk on just $20. All right. This is the only amount you can just risk. More than that is possible, but it is not recommended. In this market, everything is possible and you are free to do whatever you want. But, you have to control your emotion and you do not have to risk more than 2%. This is, according to books, according to experience of traders, according to international, courses, taught in the world about risk management. If I were you, I wouldn't do that. And the last question we would like to answer here is, what is reward? So you know that when we have risk, for sure, on the other hand, we should have reward. The profit you take in every successful trade is called reward. All right. And it should be, it is usually twice more than the risk. What does it mean? It means I should have, for example, $40 profit in every trade that I have risked $20. All right. I will explain more in the next page. Please follow me. All right. In this page, you can see British pound, US dollar, and I have just used this picture from the real market. And as you can see, we have a kind of resistance area and I have determined it by a rectangle. And you can see we had just a reaction here. All right. And you see some candles and you see some signals that you decide to open a kind of sell position. Okay. If you can see here, this amount is called risk. The amount of risk you want to do, this amount is different. All right. People can have different types of risks, different amounts of risk, depending on their capital. All right. So do not send me a message and ask this question that, oh, this risk is not enough. And in real market, everything is different. I know that completely. I say, this is just an example to teach you what risk management is. On the other hand, you can see the green part can be your profit. So when you open sell position here, this can be your stop loss, and this can be your TP or taking profit part. And you might say, oh, look at this. And we could have more than this amount for profit. I would say, hey, you have to control your emotions. When you just manage to have, risk and reward one risk in comparison with 2 rewards, so you will be a good trader. All right. Just this was the explanation of risk management, and I hope you enjoy everything here. And thank you one more time for your time, and I hope everything goes well for you and you become a great trader.